I was sent this vehicle diagnostic system and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything you'll receive. Comes in a nice hard shell plastic carrying case. Gonna get your owner's manual, quick start guide, USB-C charging cable. It's got this end here on it. You can charge up the device using that cable. You've got the connector that goes into the vehicle. This is going to be powered by the vehicle, and it also has the ability to connect by Bluetooth back to the computer screen here. This has a handle here on the back that can be used as a stand. So you can stand it up like this. And then it has a power charging port here to charge it up. And then you've also got a port here with USB-A systems as well. Go ahead and turn it on, press and hold the button here for a second. Starts to boot up. And now we got the main screen up. And then you'll get the feel for this. It's like a tablet size. It's got really good rubber grips on each side so you can hold on to it. And it's going to be drop proof because it's got a rubber on all four corners to help protect it. Here's the main screens here. You've got an ability to update it. It's going to stay updated for 3 years. And then after that point, you would probably need to purchase a subscription to update it for newer vehicles. It's got an ability to connect to Wi-Fi here. I've got it connected to my Wi-Fi network right now. That's how you're going to get those updates. You've got an account you can set up with FOXWELL here so that you can have all your settings and everything synced up with their cloud. And then your ability to do diagnostics and to check maintenance features. Also, you can slide this over and you've got a whole nother set of updates here, abilities to do firmware updates, some auxiliary tools, all kinds of different options here with this tool. I'm going to go ahead now and plug this into one of my vehicles and take some readings on it and see how it does. Here's my vehicle that we're going to take a look at. The diagnostic port for this is located under the dash, and you can see the plugs right here. And we are connected, and you see that blue light starting to blink. It's going to make a connection now with the LCD screen. All right, so now we've got the dongle connected into the vehicle. It made a connection back to the control module. You see that little green icon next to VCI? That means that we have a connection between the dongle and the screen here. And now we've got all kinds of options here where we can test and run maintenance checks on different subsystems in the vehicle. So right now we're going to go ahead and do this quick scan. We have a 2.4 liter engine on this vehicle. And this vehicle does not have a heated seat. And that's going to run through a series of checks. So you're going to see this progress bar move across. We're at 9% right now, and it's checking all the different control modules in the vehicle. And so here's our completed list. We've got one that seems to have failed, this body control module. Everything else seems to be okay. If I look at that body control module, number 18, I get a list of identification numbers and descriptions for all of these different subcomponents, so I can investigate and figure out why that particular one failed. And I can save this data if I'd like just by hitting the save button, or I can erase and go ahead and start over. Let's go back here. Let's exit. Let's look at control modules. So this body control module that gave us the error, mechanical and power lift gate. So let's look at the mechanical side first. Diagnostic trouble codes, if there are any, identification info, data display, and control functions. Let's look for some error codes. And here are the error codes that came up from that other initial scan. Let's take a look at this one here. So now it's going to the web, it's pulled up a browser, and we're able to search on that DTC code and figure out why that is an issue and what to do about it. Some of the ability to run different diagnostic tests is really cool. In this case here, I'm going to do a window test on this Equinox. And what I can do is press here and express down for this rear window. And you see that the car is responding, and I can press it up. And I can go back and I can search against the other windows that I want to do. Let's do the driver motor for the window here. And then we'll go ahead and set that down. And this window comes down and then goes back up. So just an example of some of the tests that you can do on various vehicles. Back into this maintenance mode here. That was windows and doors as a function there. But there's other options as well that we can do all kinds of testing with. So yeah, hey, I hope you found that this is a very capable device with lots of features and capabilities. Hope this video was helpful. And as always, I hope you have a great day.